In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check AI content for plagiarism with Grammarly. If you've drafted something with the help of an AI tool, it's smart to verify that it's original before you publish or submit it. Grammarly's built-in plagiarism checker makes this quick and clear, and I'll walk you through the exact flow from opening a document to choosing the right citation style. Start by opening your browser and going to Grammarly. Once the dashboard loads, you'll see options to create a new document or bring in an existing file. Either approach works for checking plagiarism, but I'll show the clean slate method so you can follow along even if your text isn't saved as a file yet. Click New Doc to open a blank editor. At the top, add a clear title so you can find this piece later. A descriptive title helps you keep drafts organized, especially if you run multiple checks on different versions. Next, move to the body of the page and paste or type your content. If you're pasting from another editor, consider using plain text to avoid stray formatting. Make sure everything you want checked is included, from headings to quotes, because the plagiarism scan only analyzes what's in this document. It also helps to include your references section if you've already drafted one, so you can confirm source alignment while you review the results. With your text in place, open the plagiarism checker. In the Grammarly editor, you'll find this in the sidebar. Click it, and Grammarly will scan your writing against web pages and academic sources, then highlight any passages that appear similar elsewhere. You'll see a percentage and a list of matching sources. Give it a moment to finish before you review the findings. Longer documents can take a bit more time, and a steady internet connection helps the scan complete smoothly. Now choose your citation style. Use the citation settings to pick APA, MLA, Chicago, or the format your organization prefers. This ensures any references Grammarly suggests are created in the correct style from the start, which saves time later. If you're working under specific guidelines, double-check which edition of the style is required. As you review matches, decide how to resolve them. Paraphrase with your own wording, place exact language in quotation marks, and cite the source when needed. Small overlaps like common phrases are normal. Focus on substantial similarities. After edits, run the checker again to confirm everything looks clean. If you already have a file, you can use the upload option on the dashboard and follow the same steps from within that document. That's it. Open Grammarly, create or import your text, run the plagiarism scan, and set the right citation style to finish strong. Thanks for watching, and keep your writing original and properly credited.